wish all the best to all the entire team of PRP for bringing all this amazing product. Specifically talking about Simpolo, they always were ahead of the market and the display was amazingly made. Even after working for 15 years, I'm going to learn a lot from what they have displayed and how they have been putting tiles in particular. So together I think we are going to go really far with this kind of product range.
We will always welcome your idea to set up a good Simpolo centers where we can see 100% product. I have used Simpolo product in one of my hospital projects that where I used outdoor things. People are very much oriented to good design these days. So it's a very welcoming thing for the city of like Guwahati.
Very nice to see this studio here, and we are using many times in many interiors. We are using Simpolo products, and as Pankaj told, if you can come with some bigger space with all the products, it will be helpful for us. Guwahati trend depends on the client, basically. Taste of the client, variation of the project is also important.
Product is good, we have used it. We started practice from 85, na? So that time we are young. What taste was different. Now youngster has come up, their taste is different. So trend is differ at the age also. So now we like simple things. That time we are thinking about the crazy shapes and things like that. But as the age grows, thinking differs.
People are having more exposure than before, because like even in the social media or whatever it is, like, so people go for all trendy design. So they come up with a photograph and they say, like, we want something like this. So it's good, you have placed nicely, like you have displayed such a big way, and client can choose now, they can visualize.
Simpolo के साथ अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ था 2017 में. We started with very few products in the beginning, and it's been 6 years almost, and now we have opened a Simpolo Shopee or a gallery wherein we have displayed all the high-end products, 8x4, 800 by 1600, 4x2, Rock Deck series, then your Posh series, Courtyard series, Kids Deck, Saga series. So then there are n number of products. So it's my request to all the architects and interiors to visit our store, as we make sure that we try to give you the latest products at our store. We try to get you the best products from the industry so that you can serve your clients better.
This is a great day for us today because this is the first showroom come out with Simpolo as a gallery in the northeastern region. As you know that Guwahati is the gateway of 7 Sisters. So people do come out from different places in 7 countries in Guwahati, and they look for beautiful tiles which Simpolo makes. Simpolo is known for its quality, design and innovations. So we have joined hands with PRP and they have given almost 1500 square feet to display our top-end products. A lot of architects have come today, have really appreciated. They have already recommended Simpolo in different projects, and now they are excited to see our new product, new ranges also. And I'm sure they will going to love this product.